did you know that you want to work in the field of biodesign?
There wasn't a certain point. It's a long story that starts with my study in Polytechnic. I studied architecture, and there all my studies sparked in me the passion for the materials. And then working with the 3D printing world, I feel the need to create something new, new material that can be sustainable and can be a new paradigm for all this kind of new material that can enhance the old ones.
Oh, okay. Sounds really interesting.
Guys, it's recording.
Oh, I did not see the camera was rolling. Hi, everyone. So, welcome back to another episode of Nari, where we spill the chai on craftsmanship, culture, and sustainability. Today, I'm Anshika along with your co host Suhani,
Hi, guys.
and we are really excited to present to you the second episode of our series titled Responsible Revolution. And today, we deep dive into a very interesting topic about reusing agro-food byproducts into sustainable products. So, on that note, I would like to welcome Yack Maio, the research and development partner and co-founder at Krill Design. Welcome, Yack. We're very pleased to have you here.
I'm pleased to.
Thank you. So let's dive into this journey and begin the conversation.
We want to start on a personal note and ask you, if you were not the co-founder of Krill Design, then what would you be doing?
Well, I think that I will do the same thing. I'm quite a simple person. I like to solve problem, and all my past life make me want to do something new, solving a problem like new material, all the sustainability problem that we have now. So I like change, challenge. I think I will be the same that I am, more or less now.
That's great.
Yeah, it's a part of your life.
Yeah.
It's not separate from
Yeah.
Which is, I think that's the way it should be. And on that note, I wanted to ask you, you guys work with a lot of products that are left behind, like coffee grounds and orange peels. So could you highlight the whole journey from peel to product and the whole like process behind it?
Yeah, we collect the byproduct by food and beverage companies. Then we transform it into organic filler, like a powder. We make a powder from orange peels. Then we transform this powder with blend with bioplastic base, and then we create our krill. And with this krill, with 3D printing or injection molding, we create a new object.
Oh, so I saw the orange lamp that you guys made, which seemed really interesting at it. I think it also embodies the essence of the material that you work with.
Yeah. If you want, I bring it.
We would love to. We
Yeah.
would love to have a look at
Well,
it. Yeah.
I bring the lemon one, not the orange one.
Oh,
It's the
okay.
same.
That's also. Wow.
Wow, that's really
That's
nice.
so cool.
Oh, I can feel the texture.
Yeah, I can feel it. Like you can kind of
Yeah, the
tell.
texture is something that it's mix of our acrylic material and the texture of 3D printing layer effects,
Ah, okay. So you
How
make
did?
the
and
film.
also something that with 3D model when we create our model of OMI.
How did you like first think of coming up with this, or like what kind of sparked you to get into this?
Well, I don't know. Like I said before, something that I want to create. I like design, solve, find solution. I like new ideas. So blend something that could be a new material, a new form that can be achieved by 3D printing.
So here the filament is made of the agro-food byproducts which you
Exactly.
process into the filament, right?
Exactly.
And then you put it into the machine to make these products.
Exactly. Exactly. Exactly.
So what's the name of it? Do you have a particular name for it?
Omi,
Omi?
yeah,
Oh,
something that came even before the Rekrill. It's a new lamp that we want to create for a co-working space,
okay.
and then became our bestseller product. We blend it with we mix it with the ideas of our Rekrill material, and that's it.
Sounds really
That's
interesting.
really interesting. I love
It
the
is,
lamp.
it is. And on that note, I feel right now, since we are talking about circular design, it seems like it's a niche topic. It's more artisan led. So, but at Rekrill, you really want to adopt it at a wider scale. What do you think can be done more for it to be adopted at a larger scale, like you are hoping to do?
So I think that we need to create an industry where we can make supply chain, traceable supply chain. We involve the suppliers, the partners, and we want to transform the design into a system.
Okay.
So it's not only a little company or person that have a 3D printer that want to create an object, but it's something that must be a system into the nation, all the part of to say market.
Okay. So, like with Rekrill, you are making these pellets, which are, I feel, like brick-sized pellets, which can be supplied further. So, do you think that's having such a modular approach is something that is a good idea um, for like your mission to reach a wider audience?
Well, I think that have methods in making things. It's always the best things to do. Can be replicable, and yeah, you have to adapt to different challenge that can be uh, rise during the specific problem. But yeah, method is the best thing to do.
Got it, got it. Because I also read about how you can personalize the texture, the origin of these products. So I felt that was really interesting. If I want something unique, I think that can be done. So, on that note, since we're talking about craft and technology, craft seems more about working with the hands and technology about working with machinery. Do you think the combination of these two elements has technology being giving a boost to traditional craftsmanship, or is it overshadowing it?
Well, I think that 3D printing, this material, new material, are tools that can boost the whole skills into modern forms. So I think that 3D printing, all these innovation tools, innovative tools, innovation can enhance the artisanal world.
So, have you worked on an example of it? Like any project where you felt is particular personal to you, wherein you combine craft and technology and something good came out of it?
Well, for example, even when we produce our products, we have the first phase of the process that are more artisanal because we need to think about the product, draw it, model it. It's something like artisanal. The only thing that change is the tool you use to achieve the design. Then we use machines to produce the product, but then after the 3D printing process, maybe we need to use our hands to, to plug the electronic parts, to sand it. So it's always a mix of both.
That's true. I think you can't replace like either. I think you have to work with it
Mm.
together. I don't think it's going to get replaced. On that note, we have like a fun little game. So in this bowl, we have like chits of all the Rekrill byproducts. So
Okay.
you can like pick up a chit and tell us where you think in the design sector this could be applicable.
Okay. Okay. Go for it.
Yeah, go for it. Go for it.
Lemon peels.
Okay,
Well,
we have an example
exactly.
right
I
here.
think that could be perfect for a lamp.
I even like the color of it.
I
It's
I
very
love
summer
it.
fresh.
It's yeah,
Well,
it's
try
giving
another
very
one.
summer.
Wine waste. Wine waste. Well, we already try something with wine waste in cosmetic packaging,
Oh,
and
okay.
it's something that is very. A lot of company want to try this kind of by product made from wine and grapefruit waste.
Oh,
Okay.
any particular reason
Any
why
yeah,
only
why
wine
they want to
waste?
use wine waste?
Because a lot of their product is like cream is made with grapefruit. I don't know why. I'm not in the
Okay.
sector, but, but they want usually a packaging that can be made with the same byproduct of
Oh, that's cool.
their
Yeah,
product.
yeah, that's really cool.
Go for
Okay, you
another
can go
one.
for the
Another one.
next one.
Five of them as
Yeah, we
well.
have five of them.
Coffee grounds.
Italy has so much production of coffee.
Exactly, that's true. Like,
Yeah, the byproduct of coffee ground is the most used in the world, I think. Not only with for our material, our system, and well, it's one of the toughest material to use to 3D print because into the coffee ground there are a lot of remaining oils and wax, but it's very nice in aesthetical part, and in the sense of the coffee is the one of the most that can remain in our product after days and months that we produce them.
Yeah.
Because this reminds me that I once went to a cafe and they used to give people coffee grounds which were left out of their coffee. So even I can go and take the leftover coffee grounds and I can make something out of them. So I've also seen, I think, even small products like pencils being made out of it and such things. So I feel more and more places should do this.
Should be doing
Yes,
this.
Yeah,
even
yeah,
I
yeah.
think
Yeah.
even you guys take such byproducts from shops and everyday places that people go to, right? Like from cafes, bars.
Yeah. Well, now we're trying another part of coffee. It's silver skin. It's the peel around the coffee bean,
Oh.
and it's a very interesting material. Yeah, because it's like glitters inside.
Oh.
That's why it's silver skin,
Yeah.
and it's a lot easier to use than coffee ground. But at the same time, is the at least more interesting, at least interesting as a coffee ground.
Do you have any example maybe with you? Like something made of coffee ground? Like right now, I don't know.
Here.
Yeah, yeah, in case you guys.
Let's open the bag of
Yeah,
surprise.
bag of surprise.
The box of the secrets of Krill Design. Well, I bring a lot of things.
Wow.
Oh,
Let's.
okay.
We can
Back
What's that?
handle.
Oh, okay.
It's a handle.
Yeah,
Handle.
Okay.
back for back. It's a
Ah.
part of our materioteca with some different tests.
Ooh.
Silver skin, Kruska is a cereal. uh, pigmented and natural. We have two different kind of leather from
Oh,
two different brands.
okay, that looks so cool.
Orange, red orange, hazelnuts.
Are these used like a lot by fashion brands?
Yeah,
These
yeah, yeah,
ones?
yeah. We try also in fashion worlds using fabrics, leather.
Mm-hmm.
Something that we can't use in 3D printing method because the filler we can reduce this kind of filler into a very small grains, so we need to use only in injection molding.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's
So
why
cool.
the aesthetic is rougher than the other
The
ones.
other ones.
Yeah, because even this one, it's really smooth. It does not have
Yeah,
Any texture, yeah.
it depend on the finish of the mold that
okay.
you use. It's very interesting
Perfect.
also
Yeah.
this one is from cosmetic packaging.
Oh.
Oh, this is really
Oh, it
cool.
looks so nice.
I would really like to
It's
buy
the is it
cosmetics
one
in
of
such
the
packaging.
no
Yeah,
like
that
this?
one
Ah, okay.
with silver skin.
Ah,
The both.
okay. I would have thought this is silver skin. I mean,
Also, we have sunflowers and grapefruit.
oh.
Which
You said this is used a lot by cosmetic brands.
Yeah,
right?
exactly, exactly.
even the color is something
That they, I feel like,
they
would go.
attract
Yeah.
the beauty
Yeah,
product
the
brands.
beauty industry. Yeah, you can pick up. But I wanted to ask you because you said beauty companies use like a lot of the grapefruit. So since the beauty industry is also kind of moving towards this entire like sustainable thing, do you think beauty brands are seeking it out more, like using maybe orange peels, for example, or grapefruit in their packaging? Do you think they're making that change? Like, what do you think?
Well, I think that all the citrus peels can be a useful byproduct for all the cosmetic company and packaging.
Mm-hmm.
It's not so easy to use also the citrus peels because like coffee ground they have oils
Mm-hmm.
that can make more difficult to use this material. Uh, but yeah, it's very appealing.
Yeah.
The narrative is very appealing.
Yeah, because it makes
Yeah,
sense. It goes with the whole thing, like
yeah, yeah, yeah.
having your ingredient, but like also in your packaging,
Yeah,
which is
especially
like
here in
really cool.
Italy, Italians food and beverage industries. The two most byproduct used are grapefruit wine and citrus like
Mm-hmm.
lemon and oranges.
Okay.
Okay.
I mean, it makes sense.
Yeah.
Some definitely are all about
All
it.
about that.
Lemon,
Yeah.
Exactly.
citrus fruits,
Yeah.
coffee.
So let me check the last one.
Yes.
Bran. Bran, I think that could be Kruska, this one.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Seems very earthy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a
Yeah.
cereal.
Okay.
Oh,
But what do
okay.
you think if you want to create something out of it? Which product application would you
What would you,
incline
yeah,
towards this brand?
with this?
Well, I think that all the byproduct are different,
Mm-hmm.
but in the end, if you achieve the right size of the powder
Mm-hmm.
and the right level of dryness,
Mm-hmm.
more or less you can use all this kind of byproduct for almost everything. So I think the narrative
Mm-hmm.
and the aesthetic part is the most important when you are, try to use bioproduct.
Got it.
Got it. On that note, I feel like circularity is such a big word, but we can use it in like everyday life, like, you know. And I want to ask you, how do you think people can implement it? Because I think it starts with your day-to-day life, and I think people already do it, but how can we elevate that? Or
Well, I think that is something that people need to feel as a need, a change of habits. I think that they need to have a new material in their house. Object made with the material can change the carbon footprint, for example, they have in their lives. So, like good practices, methods, also, yeah, a good object made with good material. Also, for the hand of the lives of these objects can make also a very big difference.
Yeah, in everyday life.
Yeah, in everyday life.
So I would like to know your personal mantra that if you face any problem, if you face any challenge, maybe as the co-founder of Krill or in general as a person, what's your way to rise up to overcome the challenge? For some of us, it's journaling. For others, it's taking a walk. What's your personal?
Yeah, well, to clear my mind, my thoughts, I draw, essentially draw with my tablet, and then focusing on what is very important and try to eliminate all the superficial problem.
Got it.
That's it. Super
That's nice.
simple.
Drawing is therapeutic, I
Yeah.
would say.
And I would like to end this segment by asking you, you guys had done the coffee era that Krill Design had done, and it just got me thinking that what if Rekrill's products were given to artisans and students from different universities to, maybe see what they could come up with and also sort of incorporate that in them, from that time. So is that something that is in the plans for Krill or?
Well, yeah, we usually may lecture. We want to implement all this relation with students, not also for the design of the objects, but for the production of this our paradigm with Rekrill, because I think it's very important to let's see the possible future that they can achieve. Just thinking about sustainable world with a new a new method of thinking the material, for example.
I think that's amazing.
Really, I think the whole philosophy and narrative behind Krill is really
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being here with us today.
Thanks to you, guys.
And we'll be back next time with another chai-worthy conversation. And
now it's time for our afternoon tea.
tea.
So we'll
See you guys in the next one.
See you.